Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Master Theorem. So, today we are going to see an important theorem that is called Cauchy's theorem. So, let's see the statement of the theorem. So, what is Cauchy? Meaning, value, theorem. Let f, g be two functions, b two functions, a, b belongs to R where and A is less than b. If f and g satisfy first f and g are continuous on closed interval AB, second f and g are differentiable on open interval AB, and third condition is that g derivative of g is not equal to 0 for all x belongs to open interval AB. Okay. Then there exists C belongs to open interval AB. It means C lies between A and B such that FB minus FA upon GB minus GA equal to F dash B upon G dash C. Okay. So let's prove this theorem. First of all, observe that GB is not equal to GA. It means GB minus GA not equal to 0. Why? Because if possible, GB is equal to GA, then by Rolle's theorem, there exists Chi belongs to open interval AB such that G dash Chi is equal to 0. It is a contradiction to the fact that G dash X is never 0 for all X belongs to open interval AB. Okay. So we have therefore GB minus GA not equal to 0. That is why in the statement of Cauchy theorem, this part is non-zero. That is why the Cauchy theorem makes sense. Okay. Now we have to now continue proof. Now continue the proof. Consider the function phi x is equal to fx plus a times dx for all x matrix variable a. Okay. Here a is to be determined such that phi a is equal to phi b. So let's determine what is a. So what is the f is equal plus a g a f b. To solve for a is equal to minus f b minus a g b. Okay. Okay. Then only from float interval a b to r is this function satisfying one only is continuous on float interval a b. Phi is differentiable. So phi is Phi is differentiable of B. And third one we have phi A is equal to phi B. Okay. So here you observe that phi satisfy all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. Phi Why phi is continuous? Because we are taking fx plus a times gx. F and g are continuous, L is constant. That is why it is continuous. Phi is differentiable because f and g are both differentiable on open interval. We are taking just summation of a fx plus a times constant multiple of gx. Okay. And the condition is phi is equal to phi b, as we have chosen a such that it makes phi is equal to phi b. Now all the conditions phi satisfies and the calculation of Rolle's theorem. Therefore, phi Rolle's theorem there exists T belongs to open interval. It means T lies between A and B. Cauchy theorem. Phi dash C is equal to 0. So what is phi dash C? F dash C plus A times G dash C is equal to 0. Because phi F is nothing but F dash plus A times C dash. So what is the derivative? Phi dash x will be equal to f dash x plus a times b dash x. So put the value of a can be bolded. So what we have minus a times f dash c and g dash. So we have c a double is that. So from 1 into both we have what was the value of a? From star and double star b dash have to be minus f a upon g minus c. That is equal to f dash e upon g dash. So Cauchy mean value theorem is proved. Okay. So physical interpretation of Cauchy mean value theorem. So what is Cauchy mean value theorem? I'm writing only formula. So how can I can write this? after B minus FA of n, B minus A I can write of n then GB minus BA then B minus A equal to F dash A upon G dash. So what is the meaning of this formula? Just try to understand. What is this? This is nothing but the mean FA minus FA is nothing but FB minus FA upon B minus A is nothing but the mean rate of increase in F. Okay, and this FB minus G upon B minus A rate of increase in G. Okay, and what is the derivative at some point? It is actual change of increase, actual rate of increase. Derivative at some point is nothing but actual rate of increase. Okay, so what is the meaning of this statement? What is the meaning of this formula now? What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is the ratio of of the mean rates of increase of two functions in an interval is equal to the ratio of the actual rates of increase of the functions at some point within the interval. Okay. This is the meaning of this is the physical interpretation of mean value theorem. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any program related to this, you can comment on my YouTube. Like, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's question. Thank you very much. We will see in next lecture. Thank you very much.